Frankie BXJ here again, folks, with American Cherokees USA. You see Pap right there, which you guys have seen before. I got my brother Jeepers Delight right here. He is gonna go over his 86 Pioneer, and we're gonna head down there right now. Showed you these on the last one. Picked up a Waggy grill and an early first gen XJ. Picked up a couple chrome center caps because you just don't find those often. I can't let you guys know where my honey hole is, but I did venture out there yesterday and picked up a couple cool things, which you guys seen. So this bad boy right here, my brother Jason's gonna go over and tell you where he got it from, tell you what year it is, and give you some specs on it. We might not do a whole video on this thing right now, but it's gonna be one of those ones that are to come.
So this here is 86 AMC Cherokee Pioneer, all original, C3 garnet red exterior, 2.5 fuel injected, first year for fuel injected. Whoever owned this vehicle actually special ordered this. It is from California. The tags are under the hood. 2.5 fuel injected, first year for fuel injected for 86, and this one does have the optional. Has a factory installed air sunroof. It does have factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. It does have the optional garnet red interior, and which could very well be one of one. I haven't confirmed yet, but this is the way that she was purchased. Now I got this in Idaho. I flew out, took a couple flights out to Idaho and picked her up, drove her back home, 2,500 miles. She brought me home, as any good Jeep does, and yeah, she's quite the gem. She handles like a dream. Now this is two-wheel drive because it was a California Jeep, and it is option. It does have the optional garnet red interior, which is the plaid cloth, all original red, garnet red shag carpet. Everything's in place. Now if you look up, there is the classic headliner issue that they all do have, which is no problem. We can all get that taken care of, but it is all original. The doors are not falling off the hinges. Now she just turned 180,000 miles. Rocker panels are straight. There's no rust inside, there's no rust outside on the frame rails whatsoever. She was taken care of, and she is a dream. '86 from California, original '86 sales brochure, of course the classic AMC t-shirt. And this 85 was the first year for two-wheel drive Cherokee, and everything from 84 in the first year model year was 4x4. Then they gave the option of people that around the town worked and wanted two-wheel drive options, and then in 86 that's what this one is. It does have the original garnet red tire cover, all the interiors there, all the trim plates there. Now everything has been used, but you know, obviously it was well loved over its years, and it was well taken care of. But she's all there under the hood. .5 fuel injected. I spent some time getting her freshened up. Inner fender wells are all cleaned up. All the electrical's done. I've went through and done a lot of electrical stuff. New, ignition control module, coil, relays, valve cover, gasket, valve cover, and a lot of everything above. She's pretty much clean as a whistle and will run down the road like no one's business. And she runs like a top, and I couldn't be more proud of her.
What are you planning on doing with this thing, bro?
Well, I think at this moment a lot of people are telling me to get it repainted, that everything is straight on the inside. It's original, which is fine. I you know, the classic side of me comes in and says, you know, they're only original once, you know, as Dennis Collins says, and maybe perhaps I could do an
Ooh, he threw out the Dennis Collins.
Oh, I did.
Shout out. Hey, Dennis. Mr. Collins.
He's the man.
The man.
The man. But I think that I might just for a little bit, you know, drive her original, as she, you know, she's 35 plus years old at this point, and I'll enjoy her for what she is. When I'm ready to turn her into a show queen, perhaps I'll send her down to Collins and I'll have him do an exterior only. How's that sound, Mr. Collins? And again, this is American Cherokees USA. This is my brother's channel. We have a bunch of these Cherokees to our name. I want you guys to enjoy the Cherokee for what it is. It's the beginning of the compact SUV. It's what all your guys' roads are and your RAV4s are nowadays. What I want you guys to do is to like, tag, and subscribe, and share this with anybody that is everything about the original Jeep, original Cherokee, and everything that has to do with the beginning of what it is for here in the States. I mean, this is the baby. I mean, she might be missing her badges over here, but you know what? They're in the glove box, and they're original. She's got her pinstripe, and the person that owned this in California ordered the original California sunset pinstriping. It's garnet red with the sunset colors, and if you look right here, we have the matching colors right here. So this was a purposely owned, a purposely ordered vehicle that I couldn't be more happy with. And she's perfect. She is perfect. And everybody, like, tag, share, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. Get the word out there.